During banquet preparations, the plates are best stored in rational plate regenerating racks. You can put the trays on grills in the mobile oven racks. Cover the oven racks with the heat-retaining hood and wheel it into the cooling room. Approximately half an hour before regenerating, bring the mobile oven racks out again to bring them up to normal temperature. When preheating the floor standing devices, use the rational preheating insulator panel. Press the IQT key. Then select the program Regen Banquet on the main dial. Activate the program by pressing the program Start key. Your ClimaPlus Combi now begins preheating. When the buzzer sounds, the preset temperature has been reached and Load appears on the display. Now load your ClimaPlus Combi. Racks are available for appliances of all sizes. Tabletop appliances can regenerate 19, 25, 31 or 50 plates, and floor standing units 50, 62, 100 or 120. ClimaPlus Control now provides the ideal climate in the cooking cabinet. The cabinet only receives sufficient moist heat to prevent the dishes drying out and only sufficient dry heat to prevent water gathering. This all happens fully automatically. Now remove the oven racks from the cooking cabinet and cover them with rational heat-retaining hoods. Only add the sauce to the plates just before serving. A perfect dish, served right on time and appetizingly arranged.